Here's how to chat with friends on Roblox. Now, the first thing we're going to do is in Roblox, make sure the settings are enabled so you can chat with them. So tap on More at the very bottom right on your iPhone, Android, or computer. And we're going to scroll down until we get to Settings and tap on that. The first thing we need to do is go into Privacy and Content Restrictions. And from here, you'll be able to see Communication. Let's tap on that and make sure two things are turned on. One is Party. You can see Party and Group Party participate in one-on-one parties or up to 6 members if you wanted to do that. So turn on Party, and then you can see Group Party is allowed to be enabled. After we've done that, let's go back one and go to Experience Chat. And on here, if any of these are off, you need to switch them on. Keep in mind, you can't turn on Direct Chat without first turning on Experience Chat. So first turn on Experience Chat, and then you can turn on Direct Chat. Now we've enabled the ability to chat with people, but keep in mind, if I go back out of here, go back, keep going back, and tap on Account Info, you'll be able to see here the age group on here. You're limited to only being able to chat with the people in that same age group as of 2026. So let's go through and start chatting with people. Let's get out here. And the first option is to tap on Party at the bottom right. You can see all of your connections on here. Anybody on this list, you can just tap on their name, and then you can just start chatting with them. If you wanted to individually chat with them outside of a game, I'll also show you how to do it inside of a game as well. You can also go back out of here and tap on the plus at the top right. And then you can see Party with Connections. You can choose up to 5 people to be able to party with, essentially creating a group chat, the equivalent of a group chat within Roblox. So select a bunch of people and then tap on Create. So that's an option to be able to chat with somebody outside of a game. But let's say you're in a game playing and you want to chat with somebody. To do that, let's go back to home. And for instance, I'm going to open up Steal a Brain Rot and hit play. Now on here, you have a couple different options. Let me just turn it like this so you can see it a little bit better. And you can see the first option is to tap on that little chat icon here. And you can see only people with similar age groups can chat with you. Now I can say something here. I can say hi and send it. If you wanted to chat with just one person in a game and you don't want anyone else to be able to see it, all you have to do is type in / and then their username. So something like Trevor or whatever their username is, you can type that in and then you can chat after that, and it will only be sent to that one person. No one else will be able to see it. You do have some other options to be able to chat as well. You can tap on the Roblox icon at the top left. And from here, you're going to tap on Settings. Oh, let's hit Reconnect. You can just tap on the 3 lines at the top left, or rather the Roblox icon, and then tap on Settings. For whatever reason, it keeps kicking me out, but just tap on the Roblox icon, Settings, and then turn on voice chat from there if you wanted to be able to verbally chat with them instead of just typing it out.